What's up guys, welcome back. I'll show you 5 things I hate about this awesome car.
Young rapping dude, might just trap with you. Coming with the thunder, baby, might just clap your crew. I roll out in the morning light, whip that Harley bike, all black, I'm the party.
Don't get me wrong, I love this car. It's very practical and a lot of things about it is awesome, and I will go over it later. But right now I'm going to tell you 5 things I hate about it. I was going to start from the outside, and the first thing that I hate about this car is this front bumper, and especially this part, the middle, because there is nothing behind it. And if someone is going to park and hit this bumper, as you can see, everything is moving in here, and I already have some parts broken from those kind of incidents when people park and they hit the car. That's why I have this, and that. I'm not towing the car that much, it's just for protection. Let's go to number 2. Number 2 is not really big of a deal, but still this car has a dim rear view mirror and one outside mirror. Only one. So it has 2 mirrors that are fully functional, but only one of them is dimmable, and that's the driver's side. As you can see, the discoloration over here, that's the indication that this one is dimmable and the other one is not. Let me show you that as well. As you can see, nope, no dimming, just regular mirror. I have no idea why. Like that is the technology to make the second one dimmable as well, but they did only one. I don't get it, but still, here you have it. Let's go number 3. Third and the fourth thing is on the back of the car. So the third thing would be the rear view camera. Don't get me wrong, the camera is pretty good, just it's right here, it's very visible, and when you're driving in the rain it's getting dirty, and when you're trying to park in the rain you just don't see anything. So that's my number 3. Number 4 would be in the trunk itself. It's not the biggest trunk you've ever seen, but it's okay. But the thing is, if you need to load a lot of stuff, you don't have enough space. You need to lift this piece up, but then the problem comes. You don't have a lot of view from the driver's side, for the back. If you're driving alone, that might be okay, but if you're driving with 3 people in the back, there is no view. Forget that you even have a rear view mirror and the rear glass. It's not there, it's not functional. It's completely useless. But here it is. So this is how much rear view you have when you have 3 people in the back and some full trunk. Not as much as you would like to have. So that's the 4th thing I hate about this car. Here inside, I'm gonna say what I hate about this car from the inside. So for example, you're driving, you're on the road for quite some time, like you chill, your leg gets sore, so you want to stretch it out, and then like boom, wow, what just happened? You just turn on the cruise control. That's not a big thing, like it's on, it's off, it doesn't matter, but it just like always on your way. Maybe for some people it's not a problem, maybe they sit further. The way I sit, I always hit this thing, always, and it's really not comfortable to find it right there. No, I don't like it. So there you have it. There's 5 things that I hate about this car. It's not a really major thing, and for some people it might be a problem, like the view in the back, or I don't know, cruise control maybe. I don't know. It bothers me, but not to the point that I would drove this car through the cliff and say, I'm never going to buy that one again. I love this car. There is a million things that I love about it, and I don't even think that I will be able to fit into one video about all the things that I like about it. So here, this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Follow me on Instagram for some other stuff that I'm not posting here, because it takes a long time to make something up and then be able to post it. So my Instagram is going to be below. On Facebook, I also have a page on Facebook. It's primarily the same stuff that I have on Instagram. And that is it. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, put a thumbs up, and enjoy your day. See you next time.